It appears progress is being made to maintain a wildfire in Michigan, just southeast of Grayling Township. Fire crews report it's more than 90% contained at this time. The fire started Saturday afternoon. Reports suggest it was sparked by a campfire on a private island. The fire spread nearly 2,500 acres, which prompted a part of I-75 to close and the temporary evacuations of some homes. 3 outbuildings have been declared a total loss. Crews around the state, as well as a team of firefighters from Wisconsin, are tackling the fire. So far, no injuries or deaths have been reported.